If you sell anything online, you know that one of the most important things is to have high-quality images, videos, illustrations, GIFs, vectors, stickers, audios, and anything else that will make you stand out from the crowd. Consumers decide if to buy your product within the first 5 to 10 seconds of landing on a page, and unless it looks stunning, they will be much more likely to leave without making a purchase. There is nothing that screams out, "I'm not successful," more than low-quality, poorly presented graphics. Conversely, nothing lets your website visitors know that you own a high-quality premium brand more than high-quality graphics. Put simply, to command a premium, you must present the right image to customers, and graphics are the fastest and easiest way to achieve this. But where do you get these graphics from? You can get them from Google, but then risk getting sued for copyright infringement, which can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Another option is to purchase from stock websites such as Shutterstock and Getty, but there you can end up paying hundreds of dollars per image. The cost per graphic on these websites is insane. Or we can have the images created for us by a freelancer. But again, we're looking at a hefty bill, hundreds of dollars, sometimes more, for high-quality graphics. Or there are Creative Commons graphics, but the problem there is the limited choice and low quality of what's on offer. So where do we get our graphics from? Introducing Stock Empire. Stock Empire is a unique artificial intelligence graphics app which includes millions of high-quality images, videos, illustrations, GIFs, vectors, stickers, audios, and more. It also includes high-end image and video editors, as well as, for a limited time, you have everything to gain and nothing to lose. So click the Buy Now button below and we'll see you on the inside.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and definitely your life to the next level. If making money online is your intention, on my channel I review products that will help you do exactly that. And today I have another amazing software product called Stock Empire. Stock Empire is going live today on the 25th of August 2022 at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. And of course, this one is going live by the super affiliate Vescoyo, and this one in a nutshell is a brand new AI-based design app that revolutionizes the world of design with over 50 million images, videos, illustrations, GIFs, vectors, stickers, audios, and much more. This is what Kyo is saying about what Stock Empire is going to do for you. If you need image, you need video editing, you need illustrations, GIFs, vectors, stickers, audios, which help to enhance your marketing and of course give you the brand that you may need to actually get the attractions that will make money for you. If this is what product you are going to require, I will encourage you definitely to use the first link below in my description area. That link will bring you automatically to this very sales page where you can get a copy of this using any of the very buttons that you have here, like this one. When you do click them, they will definitely give you access to my Warrior Plus account, where you are going to definitely be able to get this product. After your purchase history, under your purchase history, you're going to find a page that looks like this, which will give you access to two buttons. The green one gives you access to Stock Empire product, and here this blue one will give you access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you if you eventually stick with me on this. And I also have access to the very members area, this software area, training area of this very one, and of course you'll be able to see that. Now with that said, let me go ahead to show you exactly what I have for you as my amazing bonuses for this very Stock Empire product, which I believe will give you the information you need as long as making up your mind for this one is concerned. So what we do now will definitely be to actually get all the information we need for this one. Okay, so we are going to sort of do this in a way that you will be able to sort of understand that you have a lot to gain as long as my bonuses are concerned. Today I have about 7 or thereabout bonuses for you, which will blow your mind. My bonus number 1 for this will be Latitude, a unique and a beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits. And of course, this will make you money. It's a software that is going to help you and teach you how to actually make money using the NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens that you can make money on blockchain exchange using digital ads. It's an amazing training course that you are going to actually get information on how you can make money as early as today. And my bonus number 2 will be Twitex, which is a bot system that is going to be in the form of a Chrome extension that will help you silently behind the scene convert direct traffic from Twitter to any offer or link of your choice. And that includes affiliate link or link to your website or sales page or high ticket offers, whatever you have out there you want to sell. This will definitely help you do that. And that's my bonus number 2 for you. My bonus number 3 will be Insurgency, another masterclass software training course that is going to teach you how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You can beat it because it's still selling on Warrior Plus platform. Now, my bonus number 4 will be Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is going to snipe lazily traffic that will make you have access to free buyer traffic that will definitely make money for you, okay, by getting the clicks that you need to convert to make money. Now, that's what I have as my bonus number 4. My bonus number 5 will be the JavaScript Commission Board, which is a training course that will teach you with a bot system how to make 4-figure daily commissions. So you can imagine making 1,000 or 5,000 a day online. This is going to give you that very incentive to be able to do so. My bonus number 6 will be the Lockdown Formula, another major training course that will teach you from scratch how to start and scale digital marketing from 0 to 5,000 a month or 10,000 a month, depending on the little work you put. That's what you have as my bonus number 6. And my bonus number 7 is the Commission Toolbox, a mega bonus that has over 1,000 different digital marketing tools, backlinks, monetization tools, URL shorteners, everything you want, 1,000 of them. You have amazing, insane number of links that will give you access to capabilities that you don't know exist online. So you have them here, over 1,000. So in all, you have basically everything to start and scale your business with this very Commission Toolbox alone. How much more the other ones that I have for you which are still selling on the Warrior Plus account platform as digital products. Okay, so that's what you have. Like I told you before, when you use the link on my description area, it will bring you to the sales page where you actually get to click on the link on the sales page, which I am going to show you. I think it's orange in color, this very link. When you click it, definitely it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. After your purchase and under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks exactly like this. I'll give you access to Stock Empire here with this green, and here you will have access to the amazing bonuses that I've just shown you, which I believe has blown your mind. So because you can't get them anywhere else. Now, with that said, let us eventually try to see if we can go through the very sales page and go through and read for yourself. Like I told you before, you already know what this very product does. It's a brand new artificial intelligence based design app that can design and revolutionize your marketing with 50 million images, videos, illustrations, GIFs, vectors, stickers, and audios, and of course a lot of other capabilities you have here. So that's basically what you do. When you get here, you'll be able to read all the information you have here. It has 3 basic steps as always. Step 1, log into the cloud-based software, the AI Stock Empire apparatus, and then you will be able to have access to the 50 million images, videos, illustrations, gifts, vectors, stickers, and audios library. And then step 2 will be modify graphics as per your requirement or that suits your imagination with their cloud-based editor. And then step 3, use them in any way you wish, including selling them on with their commercial license for Stock Empire. So you have a business in a box there. Okay, so and here are the amazing testimonials that you can read at your convenience and see if that will help you. These are some of the income proofs that have been generated using this very Stock Empire. And imagine, video marketing actually is the best way to make money online and market. So this is going to give you 50 million of them and much more. So at your convenience, you'll be able to go through these and see for yourself what you stand to gain, so that we don't waste a lot of time doing so, because I know you have all the time in the world to do so. So now let us take a look at the very members area, the stock Empire software itself. This is the workspace. Here you have the team manager area, okay, and the workspace. If you want to create a new workspace, you can always do so by naming the workspace, and of course you will have the time zone and whatever you want, and you upload the image if you need to. Now let us take a look at the pricing. The front end goes for $17, but with the discount coupon that will fall down from the roof, you will be able to get it for just as little as $14. That's what you have as the front end price for this one, and it gives you access to images, videos, illustrations, GIFs, vectors, and all the capabilities. Now the upsell number one, the OTO number one, is the pro version, which goes for downsell of 27, and this will definitely be important that you buy, so that if there is any limitation whatsoever on the front end, you'll be able to cover it with this one. And OTO number two will be the Stock Empire social media ad templates. It goes also for $27, and this will give you access to pre-built templates you can use to market your products on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and over 200 templates for you to use. OTO number three will be the VIP. It goes for $127 per year, per annum, and this one will give you pre-built templates you can use to market your products on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter as well. And OTO number four will be the background remover, which goes for $22. OTO number five, Stock Empire reseller, goes for $77. OTO number six is the Stock Empire, the missing piece, which goes for $37. And this will definitely make you work surprisingly well with Stock Empire. And of course, that is what you have as the pricing there. The original price for the very front end will be $17, with $3 discount will give you now $14, and then of course the pro version will be $27, which is advisable. So that's exactly what you have with this very one, as long as the pricing is concerned. Oh yes, welcome to my channel back, and of course this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here. Here is the very page of bonuses that I have for you, which you can scan through and see that all these are all training courses and of course softwares that will help you actually make money online, and all the digital marketing tools that you need. Over 1,000 of them will become yours when eventually you pick up this very Stock Empire using my link. When you do that, you will have yourself to thank for making that decision. And this is definitely where we are going to call it an end to this review. I will come back to you in my next review. This is the time I encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And definitely I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here. And from me, from here, is goodbye, guys.